Hey, Michael Jackson. Yeah, you won't have to take them off. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl AlexusRayhn. Your girl is trying to get over a sickness right now. I'm gonna talk about that a little bit later, but yeah, I have been so freaking sick, y'all. Sick as a freaking dog, and I'm so over it. But I'm feeling a little bit better today, so I was like, let me come on and just say hi to the people, okay? Show y'all some love too. So in lieu of me being sick though, I did want to play this quarantine game because y'all, it feels like it's like COVID part 2. I know what's going on, but I know that a lot of people are getting sick right now, and I hope that, you know, everybody's gonna be okay. We're gonna make it through it. Be strong, we got this. But yeah, so I wanted to come on and play this game. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a quarantine game, and I thought that it would be funny because I've been seeing it on TikTok, so that also made me want to play it. So without me freaking rambling, I'm gonna save the rambling for the end of the video. So if y'all want to see what I have to talk about, then go ahead and tune into that. Let's go ahead and get into the video, y'all.
Finally awake, Commander. Thought you were dreaming of a vacation on some sunny beach.
We had a little apocalypse or something, like, oh.
Anyway, welcome back to reality. We're almost there. Checkpoint Alpha. They've been holding out, but they need reinforcements. That means us. All right, get ready. You're dropping in 20. And Commander, watch your step out there. It's not just the dead you gotta worry about.
What the hell do that mean?
You are all aware of the situation. The city is overrun by a zombie virus. And while not everyone has turned into a zombie, we need to try to save them. But at the same time, make sure the infected don't get into the zone. That's your job.
Okay.
Let's hurry to the
So
checkpoint.
it's day one. We're starting out with $1,200. But why do we need money? Anyway, I don't know. But free money ain't never hurt nobody, right? So we got some books, some binoculars, a little elephant. Hey, elephant. Elefante. Elefante. Oh, that's how we zoom in. Okay, can we run on here? Do we need to be running? Why do we need to be running? For one. We just gonna be checking people out. Is it gonna be attacking us? Okay, we got us a little locker. Okay, cute little desk. What is this? What do we? Is that our wife and daughter? Hey. R.I.P. I guess. Evacuation not ready. Okay. We got us a little dartboard over here. Okay. Ooh, but it's cold out here. Whose room is this? Oh, I guess it's ours. Well, not ours, but you know, the people that work here. So, what do we look like? I can't see what I look like. I'm just being first person the whole time. Who he running? Okay. So let me stop playing. He said we gotta go to the checkpoint. Okay. But no, for real, like, what is this stuff? Why are you sitting up here by yourself? Hello? Okay then, I don't want to say hi to you anyway. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go. Not her. Oh my god. Where am I going at?
Just shout next, and the
So it
soldiers
says
will
color
let the
survivor for
survivor in.
inspection. You can call only one person at a time. Just shout next. Okay. Next.
So, the first survivor. Approach him.
Baby, you
take a
look
close
sick
look.
already.
Are there any symptoms that immediately catch your eye? Of course there are. Just look at how red his head is. You absolutely must record this
Well,
symptom
first of all,
on the
space is
symptom
red.
map.
How do I inspect you, bruh? Ooh, I do need some of these. Okay, Okay, so it says AB. Wait. AB. B. Oh, I'm dumb. I can't see y'all. I got my light right here, so we gotta do our tablet. Because here are all the known symptoms and the probability of infection. Mark the detected symptoms to decide where to allocate the survivor. Be careful, there may be multiple symptoms. Survivors may try to hide them, but later you will have tools. Okay. So he doesn't have no yellow eyes. He do have, oh, he got yellow eyes? Well, he don't have that, but he does have red skin. He don't got none of this stuff. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Hold on, I didn't hear that hiccup. I hear it. Sick breath. Alright. Okay.
This subject only shows one symptom, but it's unclear. Send him to quarantine so we can monitor him for a while.
Hey, you got it, boss? How do I get out of here?
Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves.
Look for symptoms,
don't do this.
mark them, and classify them. And good luck.
Okay, but the, come on, boy. Get your ass back over here.
Move it.
Let him in.
What are you doing? Is this really necessary?
I would say yes, because look at what you got all over your goddamn skin. You got a rash, you got some dirty shorts on. Okay, you got a bald spot too. You need to go to quarantine. Shit. Go ahead and how do we send him to quarantine?
Wait, why? I'm fine.
You going to quarantine, buddy, because you got that little thing on you. Little bruise or whatever. You gotta stay over there for now. My fault, homie. Alright, next. Come on. Keep it moving. Oh my god.
I was bitten by a dog, not a zombie.
And where were you bit at? Are you sure? Hold on. I gotta check my little butt. I gotta check my butt. Cause you got this. You got that on your face. So let me. Boy, nah. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. He gotta go.
I trust you guys, but
You gotta go. R.I.P. boy. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
All right. That's it for today. Hit the bunks. We've got another long day tomorrow.
Now, is it just me, or is he sounding a little racist? He said, "Hit the bunks. You got another long day tomorrow, boy. Hit them bunks." I'm going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. Let me get inside before he. Oh, I'm going the wrong way still. I'm scared, y'all. If we hear a whip, we know what type of timing he on already. You want me to kiss me? I mean, I don't know what the hell we finna do with it for real if we're in like post-apocalyptic
Check
times.
out everyone in quarantine.
Well, duh, I know what to do. I know how to do my goddamn job. I don't need you telling me what to do, racist Joe. Alright, y'all, we here with it. Oh. Oh, you said check quarantine. I didn't know what to do. So, it says if you send people to quarantine, check them the next day. Perhaps their symptoms have changed and a final decision on their allocation can be made. Re-examine the survivors you have sent to quarantine. Those whose symptoms have disappeared can be sent to the block. If a survivor was infected and you leave them in quarantine for 2 days, they will turn into a... Oh my god. Cleansing kills everyone in quarantine.
Great. He's still
He didn't have to
alive.
be cleansed.
Go over to him and
Identification
call him in
verified.
for a
Quarantine
recheck.
status stable. No incidents reported.
Please.
He doesn't show that previous symptom anymore,
She's waiting for
so he can be moved to the block.
Maybe can, you know... Maybe can look... You look crazy.
I won't
Go
let you
ahead.
down. I
Help you spot
promise.
symptoms faster. Grab the scanner.
Come on.
I know the rules. I wouldn't be here if I wasn't okay.
Grab the scanner. Okay. Let's go ahead. We're gonna look at you. Use the scanner 1 to detect external symptoms under clothing. Combine the UV flashlight FF to detect hidden symptoms that are not visible to the naked eye.
Now, call in the next one and use the new tool
Oh my
on him.
god. They just showing his little stuff, huh? Oh, he got a vagina. I gotta check you. Oh my god, his booty hole. I'm not seeing nothing, brother, so I think you might be good. Look at him trying to switch. Like, a girl, bye. You can go ahead, go to the survivor
Finally,
block. You
I'm
good.
safe.
Alright, now, y'all. Wait, how do I put this tool away?
Identification verified.
Alright. Come on. Didn't we just see him?
Please.
I'm not finna hold you. You gonna have to go straight.
I can't go back.
You going straight to the freaking thing. Look at your face. And you're not showing me your toes. I don't care. You gotta go. You look crazy.
I trust you guys, but this feels wrong.
Hey, I'm sorry. I gotta do what I gotta do. I can't have you out here infecting my people.
Don't make me wait.
My kids made it through yesterday. I just need to join them.
Oh no, they playing with my money. They playing with my money. I just lost $1,300. You. Hold on. Let me check my book. Let me check my book. Let me check you first. Oh my god. I gotta check my book. I gotta check my book. They shooting? Oh. Okay, so first of all, you got yellow eyes and you got them little bruises. So, yellowing of the eyes is a change in the color of... Okay. That is a sign of problems with the... Okay. Now what about them bruises? See, because if I send you into quarantine, bro, and you start acting crazy, I'm gonna have to whoop your ass.
What do you mean, just precautions?
I'm sending you in there, bro. You better hope that you don't got not shit going on.
Next
I'm gonna be very upset if you do.
I bit my lip. That's it. Look, see? It's not serious.
Hold on. Before I lose a little bit more money. Blood from the mouth can result from more damage, leading to heavy bleeding. See? Y'all making this a little bit too hard. Because why? He gotta go to quarantine. But then he gonna kill everybody in there. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on, let me check my book.
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay calm and wait for your turn.
Yeah, he don't
Prepare your
got that. He
belongings
got
for
this.
inspection. Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and
Okay,
gloves.
he gonna have to go to quarantine.
Wait, why? I'm
You're not
fine.
fine, but whatever.
Come on.
Hey, Michael
I was bitten by a dog. Not
y'all heard the gunshots? I'm
not
checking.
a zombie.
Michael Jackson. Yeah, you're gonna have to take them off.
Simona!
I'm gonna have to take them off. I'm gonna have to take that off too. Why can't I see inside of your scalp? Okay, you don't have nothing. Ooh. You I don't even see no bite. All I see is okay. She got that a little bit. She got that a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to send you out. I'm gonna have to send you out. I'm gonna have to send you out. I'm sorry.
I'm still fine, right?
I'm gonna walk you over
Right?
there because I did like you. You look like Michael Jackson a little bit. You want your boxes? I mean, your glasses? Was she infected? Okay. Okay, W. Fuck all that. Fuck her goddamn glasses. Shut the fuck off. Alright. So what we finna do with y'all?
Identification verified. Quarantine status stable. No incidents
Alright.
reported.
I think I'm gonna call it a day. We don't got no more people coming in here. So we gonna go to sleep. Go ahead and go to sleep for the day. Go ahead and take it off. Hey Jimmy, go work today, boy. Go work today. I like that. I like that out of you. Okay? I don't know what the fuck you're in here for. You're not even doing anything. You're just standing here. Take your... Let me check you. Take your ass the fuck off. Go work today. Go work today. All in the day's work, boys. All in the day's work. Let's go ahead. Hit the sack. We can't take a shower after we done been touching all them little nasty people. Alrighty then. Let's go ahead. Go to sleep. Excuse me? Okay, I know I did the little liquidation thing or whatever. Survivor upkeep. Basic. Okay. Y'all just want to take people money. Like, it's not... Y'all just want to take my money.
Everyone you've
That's
checked
fine.
and let through is staying in the block. And until the evacuation happens, you need to keep an eye on them. Make sure there's enough food and space. Let's focus on the base today.
Anyway, they're just trying to take my little money. But that's okay. 'Cause you know what one of my friends told me? This motherfucking player to a pimp. Okay? We still got our little bands. We got our little fucking bands.
But first, you have to buy these resources.
Okay.
Restock the
Well,
warehouse.
I have to do that with my own money.
Buy supplies and fuel for
Nobody
everyone
finna
in
help
the
me.
block.
Cause we got Jimmy sitting out there. We got Bob sitting out there. We got Michael and Jonathan. They not finna put in no money to help us with this stuff. Like, maybe I only got $3,200. Okay, that's enough for me to survive. That's not enough for me to be trying to feed all these other different people. All them boys that I just named, they need to go ahead and they need to put some money out there too. What? Oh. Okay. We gotta take this.
Pick up the card.
Damn, the gas gonna leak out. Okay. Oh shit. My bad, y'all. If any of the little stuff is fucked up, that wasn't me, that was Johnny. They're not even helping do nothing. They just sitting up there. Why are they getting paid? Who's paying them? Well, anyway.
Now, deliver the supplies and fuel to the block.
Cause look, now I feel sympathy for you on the first day, but this is the second day and you still sitting up there doing nothing. And he's sitting up there too, not even doing nothing. And you sitting up here not doing nothing. I'm over here doing all the work. Y'all don't check nobody, y'all don't do nothing. Where's the fucking warehouse at? Stop pissing me off. It's not over here. Let me back up. Okay. Does it look like it's a excuse? It look like it's around the corner. Oh my god damn. Okay, oh I think it's over here, huh? Damn, I can't drive. Hold on y'all. It's a little rough, a little tight up in here. Okay, look. Because how I'm supposed to get over there? Y'all tripping. Oh my god. No. Okay, wait. So, do we have to go this way? Yeah, what the hell? Excuse me, I know I was talking shit, but can you tell me how the fuck I'm supposed to get over there, please? Because I don't know. They're probably looking like this dumbass bitch. Well, y'all not doing it, so... Oh.
The supplies need to go to the dining hall, and the fuel to the generator.
What the fuck? Okay, but why did it just tip everything off? Like, that was a little crazy, wasn't it?
Warning, massive zombie attack. Warning, massive zombie attack.
We're on lockdown or what?
Warning, massive zombie attack. Warning, massive zombie attack.
Hold on. Protect the base from zombie clusters. You need to take control of a combat drone. I need my controller for this, y'all, because I am not good. We're gonna try it. So, okay, one is the bomb. Okay. Y'all want me to buy everything. This little, they coming in too heavy. I know it's not that much. Gotta get that clump over there. Come on. They almost got the wall taken down. I don't have that much more bullets, y'all. Oh. If he loads, if he loads. Come on. Let's not hit them. Oh, shit. I'm dumb. I didn't know I could move. Hey, at least we got him, though, y'all. At least we got him. It was crazy. This game kind of fire, though. No.
According to our data, survivors have developed new breathing-related symptoms. To check them, use this stethoscope. Pick it up from the table.
Okay. Now, I do want to know, like, what is this really used for, you know? Let's go ahead and do our little round today. What happened to the clinical stuff? We're gonna take that. And we gotta check.
Identification verified. Quarantine status unstable.
They're over there eating his booty? What's going on? R.I.P. y'all. See, they were saying that black people can't have blonde hair. Well, what do y'all have to say about this? Huh? Because he looked like he got blonde hair to me. And he black. So. Now, anyway. The other thing that they said was, the mouth. Okay. Let me listen to that cough. Cough for me, boy. Look at me. Now you don't want to cough. You want to look mad. Hold on, let me listen to it. It coughs. So right now, I'm gonna put you. I'm scared though, because you got that bloody mouth. And then other people ended up going into psychosis. You can go ahead. I'm gonna put you in the quarantine.
I feel fine. Please, don't do this.
Okay? Just saying that you're normal. Get that. Your heartbeat kinda
Stay calm and wait for your
and irregular just a little bit, I don't know.
for inspection. Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves.
Okay. You look, you know, let me go ahead and check your little bag out. Confiscate.
Come on, just let me keep it.
Confiscate. Is this some garlic?
Why would you take that? It's not dangerous.
What's wrong with
You
you?
can't just take my stuff.
Everything, you look.
I won't forget this kindness.
Hey.
Move it.
Oh my god.
I don't want to cause any trouble. Just let me through if I'm clear.
Oh my god. You're coughing. Ooh. Okay, it's going down a little bit. No, I don't know about you, buddy. You going up and down and up and down? Let me check the back. Let me check the back. Alright. What's going on up in here? Why you got tomatoes? You got, oh, this is apple. Okay. So, from what I see, I'm gonna keep you in quarantine. We're gonna see if you end up getting better or what's going on with you. Quarantine right over there, sweetheart. Alright, y'all. So, I am gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to comment what your favorite part was at the bottom, and give the video some love. Yeah, give the video some love. So first off, a little bit about what I wanted to talk to you guys about was that your girl has been freaking sick for the past 2 weeks. I've never been sick like this before a day in my freaking life, y'all. Like, this sickness is literally the worst sickness I've ever felt in my entire life. I got sick probably December 18th or the 19th. It is January 1st today, and I'm barely feeling better today. Like, that is crazy to me because, like I said, I've never been sick like this before. Like, it started off like a regular little flu, and I was like, okay, like, I'll be good in like 3 to 4 days. Baby, no. I was good in 3 to 4 days, but then on the 5th day, it hit me even harder. Like, the 4th day, like, midday, I started feeling good. But then it just came back out of nowhere, and y'all, my throat was hurting so bad. Like, pause before I say this, but it hurt so bad to freaking swallow, y'all. Like, I wanted to cry. It felt like I was swallowing glass each time I freaking swallowed. Like, it was burning, and it hurt so bad. Like, I wanted to cry, y'all. I thought I was dying. Like, I thought it was over for me. I just, okay? So that happened, and then now that I'm feeling better, like, I'm trying to film, but it's like I'm about to go back to work, so it freaking sucks because my schedule right now is not the best schedule. I literally have like no time in the day to really even be filming, so I do apologize about that. I do want to try to get the videos rolling and popping, but I don't know. I do want to say though, I do appreciate y'all so much for all the love and support that you guys are still continuing to show, even though your girl is not here like I want to be. We are 15 away from 100 subscribers, y'all, and that is so mind-boggling to me and like crazy. But I'm excited for the journey. I'm excited for what 2026 has to bring. Something that I want to do, that I've been thinking about doing, is like making a little list of goals that I want to hit for this upcoming year, and that way we could actually like be working towards something and not just be all over the freaking place. So yeah, but let me stop freaking rambling because I can't even get my thoughts together really. Like, I'm not 100% with the sickness, but I'm about like 90, probably 90%. I think I should hopefully be 100% by next week, and we could try to pump a little video out or two, y'all. We gonna try to pump it out, okay? But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in the next one.